Anti-Bullying, We Care, Stop Bullying Now by Jessie Nolan and Beth Anderson. Stand up and speak out. We can all speak up when it comes to bullying. It happens every single day, and it's never okay. Be aware and stop it now. Did you know that Canada has the 9th highest rate of bullying in the 13-year-olds category on a scale of 35 countries? At least 1 in 3 adolescent students in Canada have reported being bullied recently. 47% of Canadian parents report having a child that is a victim of being bullied. Any participation in bullying increases risk of suicidal ideas in youth. Bullying is not a normal part of growing up. Bullying is different from friendly teasing. Bullying is based on an imbalance of power. It's usually repeated over time. It involves the same person being targeted over and over again. Standing up to bullying can make a huge difference. Who can be affected and how? What can we do? Parents can listen to their children and speak up. They can teach their children to speak up for themselves and others. Parents can be attentive and help their children with skills and strengths they need so that they don't become victims of bullies. They can address inappropriate behavior. Teachers can create a safe and supportive environment for their students. They can manage classrooms to prevent bullying, and they can stop bullying on the spot. Students can report. Only 50% of children report when they are bullied. Kids can stand up and they can speak up for themselves and for their friends. There's no need to be aggressive. Violence doesn't deter bullies. And just be kind. Organizations that aim to help and spread the word. This is a great video by Morgan Fraser called Hey Bully. I just wanted to say thank you everybody for listening and watching this PowerPoint presentation. I hope that it's made you recognize the importance of bullying and what it can do in a child's life. Thank you.